Hello, people. Welcome to the show, Ziggy Zion News. Today we're going to talk about chaos in Afghanistan, how people are fleeing the country due to Taliban invasion, and many people cannot be there because of the what's going on. This is sad. Okay, let's just look at the video. Okay, let's go. Crazy. These are moments that you have to feel very, very fortunate, very lucky not to be there. Imagine if you was there in that situation. I've been through situations like that, in the past. Um, Back in 1998 in Guinea-Bissau when there was a coup d'etat, civil war. Um, well, I went through stuff like that, but now this is just crazy. Let's keep watching. Look at that. All three of them died on the spot. Wow, this is crazy. Damn, this is crazy. This is very crazy. Imagine you have to go through stuff like this just to survive, trying to survive. Imagine that. You know, this is just I can't believe. U.S. first of all should have never, ever, ever gone over there, start a war, and destabilize that country. But since they did it, since we did it, right here in America, we went over there, we destabilized them, all in the name of the fighting terrorist. Okay, all right, I get it. U.S. did a lot. U.S. trained them, give them weapon to fight Taliban. Okay, but it looks like um, Afghan soldiers have no desire to fight Taliban's. Okay, and they prefer to let them take over. And then we hear a lot of stuff going on right now, which is the most important of them is to come up with a way to hold Taliban accountable of anything they do starting now. Okay, what I'm saying, like I know I get it. People get a little bit worried about Taliban because of their past history, past thing they have done which is, horrible killing, the respecting laws. I mean, the respecting female, women rights and human rights. I get it. I know the people are upset, but let's just give them a chance to, because I believe everybody should have a chance, second chance. Okay, let's give them a chance to prove themselves and see how they're going to behave. Okay, and see how they're gonna behave starting from now on. And it's very sad. It's very sad seeing those people dying, falling off the plane, trying to risk, risking their life just to be able to come here to America. It's crazy. God bless them. Thank you very much. So, hopefully, if you like the video, please subscribe and hit the like. And we're going to be bringing more news to you every day. All right. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye bye.